Going on, Cave Dwellers? We're gonna go drive around and show you some of the cars here at Camaro Fest. We're still judging. It's about 1:30 now. Let's show you some of the cars that are here. Drag racing is still going on. A bunch of cars showed up. Z28. Convertibles. Mr. Kentucky. Loving it, loving it. Look at that one. Second gen. The yellow one's amazing. Oh, another Panther, guys. We're gonna go back to the second lane over here. Actually, we'll go back here in the beginning, and we'll show you the fronts, and then we'll come back to the rears. There's Paul Rivard's Nitro Yellow Wally. Rear car. Rabbit Blue 1LE. Ooh, Aqua Blue Metallic ZL1. Vance's car. Oh yeah, look at those Lambo doors. Kind of awesome. Oh, Indy 500 car. Judge that one too. How you doing? It's all good. Kevin's American car. That paint is ridiculous. More second gen love. Ah, look at Paul Rivard, second gen in green flash metallic. Absolutely gorgeous. There's a bunch of second gens here, guys. And we got some ZL1s coming up. Riverside Blue ZL1. Oh, Tracy's. Nope, never mind. Doesn't have the yellow calipers. More another Aqua. And we'll come around the end over here, and then we'll go check out some of the autocross cars. First gen. Fourth gens. 30th anniversary car. Oh yeah, look at that car. Beautiful. Oh, someone's sign just fell. There we go. One of your signs just fell.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. There we go, guys. Let us know what you think in the comments if you like what you're seeing. Look at this one. This one has my heart, guys. First gen, the guy painted it in Synergy green metallic. Gorgeous. It's Camaro RS. Absolutely gorgeous. There's Plum first gen. A bunch of first gens here, which is really nice to see, guys. All right. Some of the renders here, RotoFab. I got some carbon fiber guys over here, some steering wheels. And then of course we got Pro Lube right next to the drag strip. And another beautiful SS1LE. And then we got some of our clothing vendors from the spot, and of course everyone needs something to eat. Let's go check out all the other cars here that were on the autocross, which is going on right now. And a bunch of people park over here with their clubs, but there's a bunch of cars right in the autocross. Let's go check some of these cars out. Coming through. There we go. Green flash. Very nice. Got a little closer for you guys. Check out some of these rides here on the corner curve. Very nice. Another green flash non-RS car with a Magnum supercharger, which means that's an LT1. Yes, it is. We'll cut in and we'll go around. Oh yeah. Check this one out. Huh? Shock also a police car. Some beautiful rides out here, guys. Definitely. No doubt. But a bunch of the clubs come out here because they're either racing or autocrossing. They're hanging out with their clubs. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Now let's go see some of the autocross cars. Autocross is over here. Everyone that does autocross usually parks over here. Coming in. So, a bunch of the cars, everyone waiting to run. Then everyone parks over here on the hill. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. So this is what happens at Camaro Fest. Of course, the first day we had NCM drag racing. Then the next day, car show, autocross. Look at the track. I mean, it's pretty awesome. And of course, it's got the road course right here, drag racing, and the car show. No shock. Bunch of really cool cars, guys. And I'm sure you see some of these cars online on Facebook and all their pages. But it's beautiful to see them all in person. When they're all come together for a show like this, it's definitely something you don't want to miss. Really cool. All gens are here. They're all together. It's pretty cool. We got American flag. Alright, we're gonna go back. Let's go. Really cool. So, 3-day event. Always a blast and worth the drive from New Jersey here for Camaro Fest 2024. More Camaro parking. Yeah, let us know what you think in the comments. If you like what you're seeing, smash that like button. And any questions at all, or if you want to come to Fest next year in 2025, the Camaro Cave will be here, and we'll be judging once more. See, they even bring trailers. Camaros with good trailers, guys. We're coming around. Man, he does all the check-ins for the track. Make sure you're all inspected and ready to go. And of course, we got some aquas out there, which, you know what, we'll make a turn and go see some aquas. Here we go. Off-road in action. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to see a bunch of the aquas coming up here. The Aqua Blue Camaros Club. 1, 2, 3. There's Jess's car. Green Flash, and then a couple more aquas. And then there, of course, the Hot Wheels 13 Hot Wheels edition. And let's head back to the judging zone. What's up, buddy? How you doing? You're good. Come around you. Mike Lee's Panther. Hot Red Hot SS1LE. And we're coming up on Bagheera and Miss Elaine. What up? Miss Elaine's right here. Scott Settlemeyer's mom's car. Rest in peace. Woo. You're good, guys. Appreciate it. A bunch of cars here, guys. So yeah, don't want to miss out next year for sure. And we'll be dropping a bunch of videos this weekend, so stay tuned, and we're gonna finish calculating the car show here, and we'll come back at you.